Well, see, that's quite unfortunate. Yes, starting on a sad note, Ghana Football Association, and as a Ghana Football Ankasa, Elusu Penyiba Kwa, Yakasa Ghana Football, Coast Football, Titiapa, what produce players like Kotokoya Ankasa, Michael Osemo, the likes of Tony Yeboah Yegola Munina, our producer, none of information, but say, when you're baby, because details and more no ever hammer bro, Ufia, penny bang, Kotoko ni future stars and a friendly game, no, a basso, or Madakoyachi Training Center. In the game, I witness say, Kumasa Sante Kotoko, as a future stars for them by 2-1. Mahwasem kakra ewa ha me de bro. Me de ka cho se game no be kwa koye game a ogum ebe use players a omo won chenchen no kakra, and clearly you who players no omo won chenchen ni bi, which is Kalu Watara, Shadrack Adom, Samuel Asamoah Abodo and the likes. But the good thing is that Kotoko every new game no through Jamina Rocky ena eto atena ena Kalu Watara enso eto atena ema Kotoko. Sa Kalu Watara idie se Kotoko bobo na friendly game bia otashe go, because I quite remember ye wo Mampono Kotoko ne future stars se onoa ene to atena ma Krobia Sante Kotoko enti on the friendly ne de otimi prove no ho. But a drew match there na akoye bibia ewo ho papa. Yes, now anopa ne nya information say papa ye frɛ no mo atena Kumase kakra ne de mo behu papa on the screen. So ye frɛ no Sani Dendem ono na Anoche Football Stars eye ne dia na zeno wa letting it to a different managers ha omo na Sani ene da screen ni su Sani ye nyina ye nim Sani ye ba Coast Football Ghana watete whole lot of players. Ye ka players o mu free Kumase, the indigenous Kumase a Sani were playing a role. Man no pen information but say for some time now wayare kakra no da comfort Anoche, but next Thursday anopa and finally uje mu the betima aka ne se otumfo Nyankopon ema na baby panna na onhwe ne so yie ema no ne papa obeye ne wiase otumfo Nyankopon nsom na ne bone nso onfa ne bone bia enche no na omma no de kramofo kase aljanna Christopher be kase heaven na onfa ma papa e frɛ no Sani Dendem. Yes, it's quite unfortunate.